Hi friends, welcome back to Clay Clues. In this video, we will be playing the 3 gift box challenge. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to Clay Clues for more exciting videos. Let's begin the video. Number first, choose your vacation. Number second, choose your hobby. Here's number third, choose your snack. Number 4. Choose your weekend plan. Number 5. Choose your superhero. Number 6. Choose your movie. Number 7. Choose your pizza topping. Number 8. Choose your cartoon. Number 9. Choose your school. Number 10. Choose your birthday gift. Number 11. Choose your outfit for a date. Number 12. Choose your fruit. Number 13. Choose your brand. Number 14. Choose your gaming room. Number 15. Choose your accessory. Number 16. Choose your pet. Number 17. Choose your lunch. Number 18. Choose your celebrity to meet. Number 19. Choose your picnic spot. Number 20. Choose your weather. Thanks for watching the video and don't forget to like and subscribe.